Hello again, Fragrance fam. It's me, Beth, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to AFI, thanks so much for checking out the project I'm working on today. If you're running low on fragrance and only have a little bit left, why not make some mini soaps that are perfect freebies or $1 samples? Let me show you how to make them eye-catching enough to encourage any curious customers to try out your soaps. To make sample-sized soaps, I recommend silicone molds that are about an inch by inch in size. You don't have to use a bunch of supplies to get tons of soap. My tip is to use silicone ice cube molds because they're the perfect size and they come in all kinds of shapes. Each cavity in this mold can hold just under an ounce of soap. Melt down 8 ounces of a soap base of your choice. Heat it in 30-second intervals in the microwave to prevent scorching or boiling the base. I'm using Stevenson's crystal clear glycerin base, but you're welcome to use whatever you have on hand. Shea butter, goat milk, and oatmeal are all options I like as well. This recipe is perfect for using up the last little bit of any soap fragrance you have on hand. With the recommended 3% fragrance load for most MP soap bases, you only need about 1/4 of an ounce of fragrance oil. My choice for today is our version of Sandalwood and Blue Sage by Bath & Body Works. It's clean and soothing, perfect for a refreshing shower. Stir it in along with a single drop of water-soluble soap dye. I'm using blue to match the fragrance. When the fragrance and dye are uniformly blended into the base, fill each mold cavity with a small layer of soap. Spritz each of them with 99% isopropyl alcohol and let them cool enough that the surface is solid. It shouldn't take too long. Mine only took about 5 minutes. While the first layer cools, add 2 more drops of soap dye to the base and stir to get a darker color. Give the hardened first layer another spritz with the alcohol and top it with a darker soap. Repeat these steps, adding 2 more drops of dye with each new pour. If the soap base cools past the point of pouring, pop it in the microwave for another 15 seconds to liquefy it again. Don't overheat it though. You'll risk burning off fragrance and zapping moisture out of the base. Finish them up with 1 final spritz of alcohol to pop any remaining bubbles on the surface and give each mini bar at least an hour to cool. Ensure they're no longer warm to the touch before popping them out. MP soap can look like it's hardened on the surface, but might still be liquid inside if it's still warm. And here are my finished mini soaps. Like I said at the start of this video, these make great add-ons to orders to encourage customers to check out more fragrances you have to offer. They're functional free samples and can be used to stay sudsy on the go or to accent a guest bathroom. So, do you have any fragrance oils on hand that are due for a restock? Let me know how y'all use up the last of your fragrances in the comments below. We love finding ways to make sure we use every last drop of our favorite scents. If you have any questions about this project, running a soap business, or using fragrance to drive up sales, shoot us a DM on any of our socials and we'd be happy to help you out. I'm Beth, and thanks so much for joining us today, Fragrance fam. See y'all again in the next one. Bye.